This is so good.
I just love like spicy food in general. So like any dish that's spicy, I'm like perfect.
So that's what's really been affecting me. And I didn't know what name, you know, the bread, they call it name.
Yeah.
I love the bread. The bread is so good. I'm like, I can
You
eat
dip
this.
it in like the curry, wipe the bowl with it.
Oh my god, I could eat it everything. That's what's really fattening me up is bread. Because I already know, like, if I eat a lot of bread, like pizza or any, bread, really. Pastas, like, because I love pasta. I love, like,
Italian food.
yes. Jesus. I love all foods, to be honest with you, but it's like I know what I should be eating and what I shouldn't.
Yeah.
And it gets crazy.
I love food so much too. The problem is I have like a small appetite, so like I don't get to eat all the foods I want. I'm like, dude, I'm already full.
That's good.
So that's the only thing that keeps me thin, I guess. But other than that, I feel like I would be very large with the amount of food that I love and like always want.
You're very active, so I won't have them. That's good. See, I'm inactive. I just work from home. I eat crazy foods. I stay up super late, but I get up super early. So now we're just gonna flip on over. And I'm sorry it doesn't have this table didn't have the
Oh, no, that's
bowl.
okay. I don't mind. I sleep on my stomach anyways.
Me too. The only bad thing about being on call, you gotta answer your second phone. Ooh, that's not for me. It's for Alex Jones, whoever that is. It's like, you have to be kind of a slave to your phone. I don't mean to use word slave, but you know what I mean? Like, you're
connected.
yes, you gotta take that thing to the shower. Like, you can't really miss a call.
Oh my gosh.
Because if you do, you get seriously reprimanded. I think the second or third time you gotta get called in, fourth time maybe you lose your job or man.
Are they like only allowed to call you within certain hours though?
No, it's pretty much 24. If it's an on-call day, which today is, then it's 24 hours.
Yeah.
But if it's a non-day, like you're not on call, then they can't call you out because you're already, remote. I like the on-call day because they pay you definitely double time and a half sometimes.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I don't mind it, but if you have a family or something, it is annoying because it's just like you can't really do what you want to do.
Yeah, I just want to relax.
Exactly. This is the left side, right? This is the knee.
Yeah.
Sure I'm not too bad of a pull.
No, it feels good.
So you're doing pretty good. Super bendy. Wow, Florida, that's awesome. I've been to Florida, well, just for training, and then when we did have Liberty, we did go down to my good time, but I didn't have any money. In the military, we don't have money to really do it up.
Yeah.
But you still get to go to the beach and have fun and get to, go to the nightclubs, which were wonderful.
Yeah.
But it's like, damn, I wish we had some money.
Yeah. It's so expensive. Like living there, I paid so much in rent. I was like, yeah. I don't know. I don't really like it. It had its time and place. I think for me, like Miami was, a good period for me, period of my life. But I like it back here.
Yeah.
I just don't think I see myself living in Miami long term.
No. Me neither. It's beautiful as it is. We went to Key West. Now Key West is gorgeous. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But I still couldn't look. It's like, wait. I feel like I'm at the edge of the ocean where I'm gonna fall. Because if you look at the map, I'm like, yeah, we really are technically. We're like, you can swim to Cuba. It's like literally.
Yeah.
But you don't see Cuba, because it's 90 miles away.
Right.
But it's like, am I gonna fall off though? Like, it's only one way in, one way off. If something happens, like the hurricanes, you're stuck.
No, it's definitely like a little trap here.
Yeah.
Just in this little island, and you can't really get out.
That's right. Well, I mean, if you have a boat, then you're good. I think they mostly have like these little safety protocols where they have boats will come down if ever a hurricane, they get cut off. Maybe the bridge is still underwater or broken or whatever. They'll still help you out. So, But it's gorgeous. It's amazing. The sunsets, you can't beat it. It's like
Oh
the
my
sun is
God.
like right there. Like, what?
It's beautiful. It's so pretty. They have like a sunset like festival like every night. Like everyone's just out like cheering the sunset.
Really?
It's so beautiful. Yeah, in Key West.
Wait a minute, we didn't see that. So everybody comes out?
Well, pretty much, yeah. Like like if you're out like at the restaurants on the water and stuff, like everyone's like watching and taking pictures, and it's this big like thing, and like. But I understand because it's like just in general in Miami, like the sunsets are always like colorful and beautiful. The sky looks like cotton candy.
Not too much stretch.
No.
I definitely have to look into that because that sounds amazing.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like an organized thing. It's just like everyone collectively being like, "Wow, it's so beautiful."
Okay, now I know why we didn't see it because we were probably back in Miami at that time.
Yeah.
Trying to go to the club or going across that bridge.
Yeah.
The 7 Mile Bridge or it's pretty long. Okay. I mean, we're going into the ocean. What's going on?
Yeah. It's sort of an eerie thing. You're
Yeah,
trapped on this bridge above the water. Like,
I got nervous because even though I'm not driving, I was like, okay, where are we going? Why is
Yeah.
there so much water? Where are we going? It was my first time going literally to an ocean. Even though I lived in Maryland pretty much all my life, I've never been to Ocean City.
Really?
Never seen a beach at all.
Oh my God.
Not until I joined the military. Yeah.
That's wild.
It scared the shit out of me. I didn't know the ocean was supposed to be so big. Is it supposed to move like this? Or are those ships?
It is kind of scary. That's why I don't think I ever see myself going on like a cruise. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to be trapped out in the water like that. Can't escape.
I hear you. And going across that bridge, I started to have a little bit of not a panic attack, but I did get worried because I've never seen so much water ever.
Yeah. Interesting.
Just wasn't used to it. Oceanside, California, like Camp Pendleton, which is in Oceanside, California, which are in Orange County technically, right below LA, right above San Diego.
Yeah.
And yeah, that freaked me out too. One of my first deployments scared the crap out of me going overseas to Japan. I didn't know how to act. I was homesick.
Yeah.
But then I got used to it. I miss it. I didn't want to leave. Didn't want to leave.
That's good.
Well, I mean, I was only like, literally a teenager.
Yeah.
Seeing all this stuff. Like, what?
I'm talking to this one guy and he's in the Navy.
Okay.
And he's about to be like in Bahrain for a month. I was like, oh, interesting. But he's like excited, and I was like, oh, well, that's good as long as you like enjoy, being overseas and being somewhere different.
Yeah, most people don't look forward to it because it's like a different world. But some people are super amped about it.
Yeah.
I wish I was amped about it, and it would have been easier. Because even getting off the plane, you know you're somewhere different.
Yeah, like just so foreign. He said Bahrain is just like orange. He's like, there's nothing there, just orange.
But you get used to it. It's like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad on any?
No.
Perfect. This is always a telltale sign. This is what most people can't do, even if you have a good knee.
Really? Okay, so I must be
I would be like maybe right here.